So, with the colder months upon us, we know a lot of people are reaching out and asking us more about our closet solutions. Here are some of the top things to consider when you're booking an appointment with one of our technical sales reps in your home about your closet needs. The first one has to do with what type of clothing you need to put in your closet. If you tend to have a lot of workout clothes or a lot of active wear or a lot of denim, you probably don't need the same hang space as somebody who wears suits 7 days a week. So factor in just how many drawers that you're going to need versus how much hang space that you're going to need. When it comes to your hang space, you're going to want to consider if you are someone who owns a lot of gowns or a lot of long dresses, having the appropriate shelf length so that you do not disturb your clothing over time and that they're allowed to hang freely. The next little piece to consider when it comes to either your reach-in or your walk-in closet has to do with your shoe space. If you want to have shoes stored in this area, you want to have the appropriate shelves for them. Rather than having a standard flat shelf like this, you want to consider having something that's on more of a slant, better organized for your shoes, and provides you optimal length to store multiples. There's also for the people who have a lot of sneakers or a lot of loafers, there's other racks that you can buy that will roll out and be able to store a quantity at one level. Lastly, it's the probably most forgotten about element. It has to do with your laundry hamper. You currently have some laundry hamper that you purchase at HomeSense and it's sitting in the middle of your floor and it's just this open pile of clothing. You do have the option to put your hamper inside your walk-in or your reach-in closet. We most commonly see them in walk-in closets. So it's a great solution like this. The baskets are there all the time. They still look great. And then you have the option to remove them when you need to take them to your laundry room.